Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a monster move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree it was a good move. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true strength behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine power? Or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And yes, that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at the 36-cent mark. Why is 36 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 36 cents. Any sort of closes below 36 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? Truly strong moves make progress in the upwards direction. And that's what, in my mind, 36 cents is representing. Now, ideally speaking, I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can hang up above and hold above 41 cents, that would be the best case scenario. But if the price does drop below 41 cents, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything, for the very reason that we talked about in regards to 36 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? If the price is going to get back up to those highs, where are some of these battlegrounds at? There's two main levels of resistance, the fun one. And the fun one is just simply the previous highs, 53 cents, because, hey, that's the one that's always fun to talk about, right? Nothing better than talking about testing highs, or better yet, breaking to new highs. And you can't break to a new high unless you break through, the previous high resistance. So, yes, 53 cents, certainly level of resistance. But in many cases, there's other bridges that first need to be crossed. And for this one, in my opinion, that first bridge is at 48 cents. So before you start talking about, breaking new highs and doing battle with 53 cents, first step, first bridge that the bulls need to cross is right there at 48. Any way you slice it, though, very, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum for the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.